very, very beautiful. Maybe you should put the glasses back on. God, this has been such a interesting experience, and I'm completely overwhelmed. Telugulo matladala, Englishlo matladala. I'm a little confused, but I'll start with English and then. First, Sujit, thank you so much. ఎందుకంటే ఒక మహిళ కోసం ఎంత శక్తివంతమైన ఎంత అద్భుతమైన ఒక రోల్ రాయడం నిజంగా చాలా గొప్ప విషయం. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ రైటింగ్ గీత అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ బిలీవింగ్ దట్ ఐ కుడ్ పుల్ ఆఫ్ గీత. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. దానయ్య సార్, ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఎప్పుడు చూసినప్పుడు మీరు నవ్వుతూనే ఉంటారు. I sure you have all the problems under the sun, but you choose to smile. Says a lot about the person you are. My dearest friend, Mr. Ravi K. Chandran, being one of the tallest pillars of the film, prati oka scene anta beautiful ga, like a piece of art. You've shot it. It shows why you're definitely the best in the business. Taman, I really don't know what to tell you. Your music and the kind of sound we've heard in the film reminds me of the kind of music we listen to in a Berlin Film Festival or something like that. It's very rare. It's very, yes, you were breathing fire into it, but the kind of sound we heard, being Gen Zs, it was a little different. And you just made our man look unbelievable with all that music. It's been an honor working with you. Coming to my co-actors, I think Englishlo cheptaru that nothing goes without team effort. Collaboration is everything. And like that, I truly believe, be it Arjun, be it Harish, be it Prakash Raj sir, Priyanka, we didn't have scenes together, but I thought you looked absolutely beautiful in the song, and Imran as well. Without your help, I don't think we would be able to have pulled out our characters. Thank you so much. Chivriga kani mukyanga PK sir gurinchi cheppakonda undalenu. ఆయన దగ్గర ఒక నచ్చిన విషయం ఏంటంటే మహిళలకు ప్రోత్సాహనం ఇస్తారు. అది చాలా తక్కువ మంది ఇస్తారు. అండ్ being a woman, being a very fierce, independent woman in today's day and age, I feel men don't really support